In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Pareto chart in Excel. To begin, make sure your data is already organized in a table. You will want to include both your category labels and the frequency values that go with them. For example, this could be a list of defect types, reasons for errors, or any categories you want to compare by count. Once your table is ready, click and drag your mouse to highlight the full range of data. Be sure to include the category names as well as the numbers, because Excel needs both pieces of information to build the chart correctly. After your data is selected, move to the top of the Excel window and click the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps the tools for adding charts and visual elements to your worksheet. In the Charts group, look for the Insert Statistic Chart button. The icon usually looks like a blue histogram or a set of vertical bars. Click that button to open the chart options available in that category. From the drop-down gallery that appears, choose the Pareto chart option. This chart is easy to recognize because it displays bars arranged from highest to lowest, with a line drawn across them to show the cumulative effect. That line helps you quickly identify which categories contribute the most overall, which is the main purpose of a Pareto chart. As soon as you select it, Excel will automatically generate the chart and place it on your spreadsheet. Take a moment to verify that the chart appears correctly and that it reflects your selected data. You should see your categories displayed as bars in descending order, along with the cumulative line overlay. Once the chart is inserted, you can make it more informative by updating the title. At the top of the chart, double-click the title text box. This will let you edit the default title that Excel creates. Then type a clear descriptive title that matches your data and helps anyone reading the chart understand what it represents right away. A good chart title makes your report or presentation much easier to follow. That is the full process for creating a Pareto chart in Excel. It only takes a few clicks once your data is set up properly, and it is a useful way to highlight the most important categories in your analysis. That covers everything you need to know.